Morning America, thank you for sending over the snacks, or good afternoon if you're watching this on an afternoon. I was expecting a Snickers and for it to be going. Really nice.
Don't actually, it doesn't look like anything that I've had before, so I will say. It tastes like the Kinder.
Oh, I love Kinder.
Sorry, I broke the box. 1, 2, 3.
Literally strawberry sensation, the best sweet ever. Looks like rope in a sweet form. Chewy, delicious, amazing.
Yeah, I'm not loving it, but I'm not hating it. I could snack on those though for hours.
Yeah.
They're very Moorish.
Oh, they smell really like spicy. Like a pumpkin spice latte. Not as nice as the others.
Quite a strong flavour.
Yeah, quite strong.
Chocolate, yeah, cheese. I like that.
Nice.
Yeah, that's it. Look.
I want to try this. I want to try this one. Sour spider. I like rhubarb and I like custard, so.
The sourness kind of goes all the way through.
Is this a hard candy?
Zomballs. There's a nice little flavor to it. Chalky chum flavor with a hint of toffee. You know?
So,
Roast beef? Are you kidding me?
that's good.
Cheers. Sorry, I don't want to anymore. Go into it.
Oh,
hard.
don't go into it that hard.
Oh.
Did you chip it too?
Oh. Reminds me of cough drop. Pickled onion monster munch. Do you like onions? Cheers.
I apologize.
Yeah, you should.
They're pretty good.
I like them a lot.
Oh, they've got little animals on. Oh, that's so cool. All right.
Cheers.
Little sanitary.
It's a dip dab. That makes sense. Spooky teeth. On the triangle eyes too, like a jack-o'-lantern.
They're so cute.
That's adorable. Okay, let's try it. It's actually really good. That's pretty good. Little tiny candies. Oh, they're hard. Wasn't expecting that. Actually, like real strawberry flavor to it. So that's pretty cool. I want these sour spiders. Ooh. Oh, this one's cute. Ready? Cheers. They're sour. They're good. Mine doesn't have a face. Oh, I thought that was his eyes. Oh, it is. Oh, yeah, I guess he just has like, but I thought he had stuff. Like smooth and milky. Like it melts in your mouth. Yeah. That's really good chocolate.
Thank you, Penny Post. That was awesome.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.
Love our relationship.
Would you like another one?
No, thank you.
What are these little ones here?